A report today says a woman was caught breastfeeding a cat on a Delta Airlines flight. It says things apparently got weird on a recent Delta Airlines flight from Syracuse to Atlanta when a woman allegedly started breastfeeding a cat to the horror of fellow passengers and the crew. What I don't understand is that why they called it a horror. We men would enjoy a good porn, right? I think an explanation is that the fellow passengers around her were women. And we all know the crew, right? The crew, most of the flight attendants, they are women. They got a homophobic, and that's why they call it a horror. But what is more outrageous is that a flight attendant reported that the hairless cat was screaming for its life. Cats are stupid. That's why I don't like cats, because they don't know how to enjoy some very good stuff. We men would go crazy for that, right? But there's a possibility. I think the cat, it was a straight female cat. She got a homophobic too. That's why she was screaming for her life. If it was a male cat, he would go downtown on that breast, wouldn't he? Yeah, that's my analysis of this news. Thank you for watching. See you next time.